Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Po2 and readying your camera. Turn the tripod on and make sure the battery shows full or connected to a power source. Mount and center your device so the head can pan smoothly. Balance prevents drift and hunting. Once done, enable Bluetooth and any companion app on your phone so the unit can pair. You do this now because pairing and balance are the foundation for accurate face tracking. Without them, the head will misread movement. Pairing is next. Open the app, choose Po2, and confirm the Bluetooth connection so the tripod accepts commands. Then run calibration. Follow the on-screen prompt and rotate the rig slowly through the full sweep so gyros and motors align. Make sure you select face tracking mode, not motion mode, and adjust sensitivity and smoothing to avoid jitter. Once calibrated, test with a short walk toward and away from the camera. These steps tune how the device interprets your position and reduces lag or overshoot. Now you run the tracking session. Start recording and move naturally, keeping your face roughly in the central 60% of the frame so the algorithm retains lock. If the head lags or overcorrects, pause and tweak sensitivity or smoothing. Lower smoothing for snappier response, raise it for stable pans. If tracking fails, reboot the tripod, recenter and recalibrate, and confirm firmware and app versions are current. These quick fixes resolve most issues. Do them in sequence to isolate mechanical versus software costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.